Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to edit Shopify email templates. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply go to your settings, and then after that what you're going to have to do is simply scroll down and go to notifications, and then here you're going to have to simply go to customer notifications, and then here as you can see you have different notification options. So as you can see you have for returns, you have for order confirmation. So you're gonna have to simply select any of these, or as you can see you can simply click on customize email templates, and then here as you can see you're gonna have your email template, and here as you can see you can change the logo size. So if you want you can add your logo, and then here you can change the colors of your email template. Now if you want you can simply choose for any of these. So as you can see you have other options. So basically after you edited your template, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on save, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see now this will be our template. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply add my logo, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys.